Welcome to Batter and Chatter, where the batter is real and so is the chatter. Today's baking idea was influenced by someone very special, my mother-in-law, Betty, or as we all call her, Mama G. It's a classic cinnamon coffee cake. Every summer she comes to spend a couple of months with Cynthia and me, and before she even arrived, I knew exactly what I wanted to make. I know her to love the classic version of the coffee cake. So that's what I did. So this coffee cake is a simple way of saying, thank you, Betty. I hope you enjoy the recipe, and if you make it, I'd love to hear what you think. As always, keep learning one bake at a time.